Hello, good evening. Today I am going to teach you about the SAP organization structure and the configuration on SAP First of all, I would like to give you the structure of the SAP organization. The first level of SAP is the company code. Company name. This company name is linked up with company code. Now company code is being linked up with the plant. Next, plant is being linked up with the storage location. Another two entities are there, which are purchasing organization is linked up with company code and plant. The next entity is purchasing group. Purchasing group is linked up with material. I hope you are clear with this, the structure of SAP organization. Now I am going to teach you. This is the SAP screen, the desktop. Here you will find the SAP icon as SAP logon pad. Double click on it so that we can log on to SAP server. This is the logon screen. Here we give the password. Now to go to the configuration of the SAP organization, to create the SAP organization, we have to go to the configuration of the SAP. To go to the SAP configuration, we have the command in this command line. We will have to put the transaction code as SPR code. Put enter. Then SAP reference IMG. Click on this button. Now here from IMG we will have to go to the enterprise structure. Expand the enterprise structure. This is the path of creating company name. Expand the enterprise structure. Now on definition we will have to define For all the entity we have discussed before, we will have to define all the entity from definition level. Definition means the maintenance part or creation part. Then after creation, we will have to go to the assignment part. So first we will create, or first we will define all the entity in the SAP MM organization. Again we will expand. Next we will go to the financial accounting, expand. Here define company. Define company is the company name. Now this button is known as the execute button. Execute. Click on execute button. Next screen will be opening. This is the next screen. These are the company names which has been created previously. SAP always ask, SAP always suggests to copy any company name for the for the creation of a new one. So we can select any of the company name. We select here. For selecting, the line will become yellow color. Select and then copy. This is the copy button. Click over here. Now we edit. Suppose we are going to create a company name, say APCL. Give the company name, that is APCL INC. APCL Incorporation. Give the address where it is, say XYZ Street, postal code 831007, city Jamshedpur, country India, and the language spoken is English, EN. Currency used is INR. Now press enter. Here you see the status bar, that is the number of entries copied is 1. Still it is in the copied state, you will have to save it now. This is the save button, you save. Transaction transport request is generated. This prompts the transport request. This is the transport request and this is the short description. Now we will have to create another different transport request named as APCL. By this we will be creating a new transport request number. System will generate a new transport request number with the name APCL. Now you continue. Now this is the APCL company, okay, which has been created, and we go back. Next we will have to create the company. Now we will be creating the company code with SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and edit, copy, delete, check company code. We execute. Then again a new window will be opening. Here we find copy, delete, check company code. Double click on it, and then we'll have to go for the copy object icon. Click over here. Here system will ask from where company code is to be copied and to where the company code is to be created. System is collecting the associated tables, hence we'll have to wait. Next 64%, 95%, and here it shows from where company code you will have to copy and to which company code you want to copy. Actually, this is the new company code which you are going to create. So from which company code you are going to create, we don't know. So you take the F4 help, click over, and these are the company codes you will be finding. So you select the India company code, that is 4300, and the required company code which we are creating. We seen that we have created company name as ABCL, so we put the company code as ABCL as well. And then we continue. Yes, yes. Currency is INR. Continue, continue, continue. This is the transport request. We want to save on this transport request, then continue, or you'll have to create another as per the requirement. So I'm saving in the same transport request. Here again continue. Again continue, 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 continue. Now here you see the information company code 4300 copied to ABCL without 98 numbers range object. You continue. You see this is the selected object company code 4300 and the completed activities. You go click on the completed activities. You will find company code 4300 copied to ABCL. Hence our company code is created with ABCL. You come to the back. Now the company code ABCL is being created, but the entity has been taken off 4300. We'll have to edit that company code. So click on the edit company code data. Go to the position, put the company code, that is ABCL, and continue. You find that ABCL is generated, but the name is India. We'll have to change it. Select the ABCL company code and go to the magnifying glass for the details. Here you change. We put ABCL Incorporation. City, Jamshedpur, India. Country is IN, currency INR, language is IN. It is correct, and then we will save. Again we'll save in the same transport request. Continue. You see the message data was saved. Now we'll back, again back. So we have created company code and company name. Next we will create plant. We'll go back to the again definition. So to create the plant, the path is SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, and logistic general. We expand the logistic general. Here we find define copy delete check plant. We execute it. Here again copy delete check plant. We double click over here. Again it is similar to the company code creation screen. You double click on the copy object. Again it will ask for the plant, from plant and to plant. Very similar to the company code creation. Again we will have to wait for 100% completion. It has increased to 64%. 95%, and it comes from plant and to plant. Again we will have to take the F4 help, or we will have to click the all the list, plant list will appear. We click on this F4 help, continue, all the plant will appear. You take any of the plant listed over here. Suppose we take 9998, and plant we will create is APC. Continue, again continue. We can take plant code as alphanumeric, numeric. Similarly, for company code and company name, we can take numeric as well as alphanumeric values. Here again it shows the transport request to be saved on. We continue. Now plant this is copied. This is the selected object and the completed activity. We find that plant 998 copied to ABC. Fine. We will go back. Here all the entity has been copied from 998 to ABC. So we'll have to edit the plant. Now next we'll have to go to the define plant. Double click on define plant. Here we'll have to go to the position to get the plant code A, B, C and continue. This is the ABC plant and this is the name. Hence we'll have to change the name or edit the name. We'll put the name as ABC plant. ABC plant and then save. Again we'll have to save on the transport request. Continue. Next we'll check the address of the plant. Click on the address of the plant. Here the name will have to change it. ABC plant. ABC plant. Concept 4. 7. We remove the region, it is not required, and that's all. We can continue. Then again we save. So plant has been created with the name ABC and name is ABC plant and plant code is ABC. Fine. Next we come out, we go back and we'll have to create the storage location. For storage location again the path is SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition. Then we'll have to go to the materials management. We expand the materials management. Here we find the maintain storage location. You execute on the maintain storage location. You give the plant for which the storage location is to be created. Our plant code is ABC. Then continue. Here we find two storage location already exist which has been copied from the old plant. So we select both the plant and we delete first which is not required and then save. Save means again the transport request will generate. Continue. Now there is no storage location. Here we create the new entry. We click on new entries. This is again we'll have to create the storage location. We put AB. Description AB STORAGE and LOC. AB storage location. We save it. Data is saved. Back. So storage location has been created for plant ABC. Now we will create the purchasing organization. Here for the purchasing organization, the path is same, that is SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, materials management, and then maintain purchasing organization. We execute. Here again we'll have to, either you can create with new entries or you can copy. So we can create with new entry. We can put APCL as the purchasing organization and the description as APCL purchase org as purchase organization, and then we save it. Here it is asking for the request, we save it in the same request, and ABCL purchase organization has been created. Now we go back, last entity, that is the purchasing organization. It is to be created from SPRO, IMG, materials management. We expand it. We go to the purchasing, expand it. In purchasing area, you will find the purchasing group. Here you find create purchasing groups. Execute. Here you can again copy from the existing purchasing groups, or you can make your own new entries. So we click on new entries. We put any purchase group, say AA. Description is AA purchasing, AA purchasing GRP. Okay, now we save. Again it is asking for the transport request. We save on the save transport request. We come back. Come back from the configuration screen, and this is how we have to create the organization, that is the definition part. Next we will go for the assignment part.